Hi family, welcome to the Lucky Moms channel. My name is G, the champion. This one is my mother, the Lucky Mom, Deborah Nyanchaka, and this is F, the champion. Today we are going to our nature walk. Our nature walk is heading to Igenaitambe. Stay tuned.
Be the champion.
Yes.
Do you like nature walk?
Yes,
Why?
because I enjoy the climate and it is evergreen, and I do exercise when walking.
Wow, that is nice. Uh, I can agree with you that our environment is evergreen. This is our land, Busi land is evergreen always. And if I may ask, what do you like about being at home during the weekend, now that today is a weekend?
Because I make videos with my mother and have money.
Wow, you can also cook.
Yes.
You want to say that only weekends you only do videos. What else do you do during the weekend at home?
Helping my mother with duties
Uh-huh.
and playing together.
Wow. Can you tell our family what we like playing? What type of game we do play at home?
Skipping rope,
Uh-huh.
playing football,
Wow.
and running.
Wow, that is nice. Anyway, you can check out. Adi is not lying. They do enjoy when we are at home. We skip. We did a skipping challenge. It's going far. That video is going far, and that is what I also do enjoy with my champions, D and F. We also cook together. We wash clothes. Where do we wash clothes when we are together?
In the river.
We just go at the river and wash clothes. I also like that. Nice, nice. Wow. Now it's my turn to become a cameraman. You can see our cameraman in a white dress. She's called Millicent Jabuti. She's my niece. We are heading together to our nature walk. Stay tuned. You are going to see how Igenaitambe looks like. Igenaitambe, in Kisi language, it means long stone. So that is where we are heading to. Let's go together and see if there is a long stone in that place. We are going to ask the villagers around there why it's called Igenaitambe. Where did that term of long stone come from? Yeah. We are almost at Igenaitambe. This is Igenaitambe. You can see it has started from here. We are heading there. We are just enjoying our nature walk. We can show them how our Busi land looks like. It's very nice anyway. We are almost reaching at that point of where we have that long stone. Then we'll be able to know where this Igenaitambe came from. Yeah. Yeah. This is a combined long stone. So this place has a stone which is I don't know how I can call it, but this is a stone which is in line. It's a combined stone. That is why this place is called Igenaitambe. Yeah. This is a very nice place. You can see we have a mud where Emparamba can dance and play with this mud. So this is the place. Yeah.
As I can say, this is a stone. You can see water. This stone, if you plate it, the water will come out. And Embalamba will be very cheerful to dance here. As all the politicians also are very cheerful this stone. You will always enjoy with our network.
Wow, that is nice. You know, this is I need to bring Emparampamba. You can see after the champion, he wants to dance just like Emparampamba, but he's shy. You can see the champion, she's just laughing. But the truth is that this place is so nice. I told you Igenaitambe means long stone. You can see this stone, it's very long. From the other end, like this, towards where the champion is standing. If you go there to the champion, you touch that stone. This is a long stone. Yeah, you can see this is why this place is called Igenaitambe. Igenaitambe in Kisi it means long stone, and we are heading to the village where we will find people who live in this village. They tell us why this place is called Igenaitambe. So at least we'll be able to know more about this place. Yeah, stay tuned. We are just heading to the village interior. You can see the champion is just enjoying with this nature walk. You can see F the champion, he can't miss, but I can see some holes. Maybe it's dangerous. With those holes, we don't know if there are snakes inside. So I'm not sure, but this is the reason why this place is called Igenaitambe. This is one stone which is so confined and it's very long. Yeah. As you can see, D the champion and F the champion, they are just enjoying. This Igenaitambe came as a result of economic activity. You can see people are getting more ram outside here. Mining is taking place. You can see they are really enjoying, and this is what I like most. I want to try, and if I see if I can reach where they have reached. It's my turn now to go there and try to go and reach where they have reached. It's very far. This is a very big mountain anyway. We are hiking. I can't make it up there, guys. This is my end point. You can see the champion is number one up there, followed by the champion, and I'm the last. Now, guys, you can come over. This is really a nice place. Come slowly. Half the champion is getting it hard for him to come down. I'm waiting for them to come. You know this place, it has come as a result, now it has become a source of income in this village. You can see people are taking more from here. They're just mining it out, and it's used in the construction of roads. Even not this company, she's also finding it hard to come down from this mountain. Come, baby. People are getting hard for them to come down. Okay. We are waiting for the champion to come. She's getting it hard to come down. She's just rolling, just like a pile. Going up was easy for her, but now coming down has become a problem. Let's come, let's go, Papa. Now we are just heading down. This is a mountain already. What? Oh my God. I can't come down comfortably. This is because it's a mountain. Now I think people enjoy. See the champion. Are you enjoying? If you are enjoying? Yes. Wow, even if is enjoying. Now, guys, let's go. We are heading to the village. Nearby people, those who live here, so that they can tell us more about Igenaitambe. Stay tuned. We are together. Yeah, still enjoying nature walk. You can see this the champion and F the champion and Millicent. We have come across donkeys. In our village, we use donkeys for transportation. It can be water, this moram. Yeah, so we use donkeys as the means of transport. You can see now we came at the top of this Igenaitambe, the top part. Now you can see down there is a field. We are on top of the stone, that long stone. Yeah. Okay, now we want to start running and we see who is going to become number one between the lucky mom. This is F the champion and this is D the champion. Do like this. Do like this to the camera. F fanya hivi kwa camera. So we want to see who is going to become number one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Finally, we have finished our race. Who was number one? Wow, let's clap for D the champion. Wow. Number 2? Who was number 2? Number 2? Number 2? F was number? F was number 2. Wow, F number 2. Number 3, who is number 3? The lucky mom number 3. Clap for your mother. Wow. Bye. This has been a very fantastic nature walk. Now we are just still within Igenaitambe. You can see this water is coming out of a stone. As you can see, there's still water coming out of the stone. This is a very nice place. We have a small boy there. She's just basking under the sun. Habari yako kijana? Uko poa sana? Hii place inaitwa aje? Igenaitambe. Kwa kizungu inaitwa Longstone? Yes. Oh, ni mzuri sana. Haya maji yanatoka kwa ndani ya jiwe? Oh. Guys, you can see this water comes out of the stone the way that boy has said. He's calling this place Igenaitambe. F utanguka ndani ya maji rudi nyuma. F is trying to enjoy everything here. Finally, he's going to fall inside that water if he's not careful. What? Wow. Clap for yourself. F anajaribu kila kitu, but I'm very sure D can't make it. D, let's go. Come, let's go, girl. No, you are going to fall. Usijaribu, utaanguka. You want to try? Kuja. F, D, she's afraid. I know she will just fall down. Yeah. Finally, we are at Igenaitambe. This is Igenaitambe Primary School, Longstone Primary School. This is our destination point. Now we are heading to Igenaitambe Hospital. Family, now we are very happy. Tumekutana na watu wa Igenaitambe. We promised that we are going to meet with the villagers here, those people who have lived here for some time and they know the history of Igenaitambe very well. But before that, wacha kila mtu aseme vile anaitwa, at least watuambie Igenaitambe inamaanisha nini.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa William Abere, ni mzee wa kanisa inaitwa Girigiri. Ndio kwetu.
Hapa ni wapi penye tuko?
Hapa ni Igenaitambe.
Hapa ni Igenaitambe. Okay. Na wewe baba?
Mimi naitwa Joseph Ongera. Mkaji wa Igenaitambe hapa.
Okay, hapa ni Igenaitambe. Na wewe ndugu yangu?
Naitwa Thomas Mungalo Umanwa. Mkaji ya Bigera hapa. Okay.
Hapa ni wapi sasa?
Hapa ni Igenaitambe.
Okay.
Hata shule ya Girigiri ya Igenaitambe iko karibu hapo. Na kuna hospitali ya Igenaitambe hapo. Na hapa tuko na Igenaitambe Polytechnic.
Okay.
Au Gigege Polytechnic ambayo iko karibu na Igenaitambe.
Okay. Baba, wewe ndio umesema wewe ni mkaji wa Igenaitambe. Unaanza ambia watazamaji Igenaitambe inamaanisha nini?
Okay, Igenaitambe ni chiwa ambayo ni chiwa kuu, sasa tuseme ni chiwa refu sana. Ndio sababu iliwafanya watangulizi wetu wakaita area hii kuwa Igenaitambe. Hiyo Igenaitambe kuna maji huko imetengenezwa wanatu ya maji ya kunywa, watu wanaogelea huko. Kwa hivyo ni china ambayo inajulikana tuseme Nyamira County. Igenaitambe tukisema Igenaitambe inapatikana wapi? Tayari watakuonyesha.
Kumaanisha hilo jiwe linatoa maji.
Linatoa maji, watu wanakunywa hapo.
Hiyo ni mzuri sana. Tumeshukuru sana kwa sababu hatukuwa tunaelewa. Sisi tumekuwa tukisikia Igenaitambe, sisi tumetoka huko mbali tukakuja kutembea hapo Igenaitambe, at least tuelewe, watu wenyeji watuelezee maana ya Igenaitambe. For those who don't understand Swahili, Igenaitambe is in Kisi term, kumaanisha long stone.
Yes.
Yeah. Long stone, jiwe refu. Tumeshukuru sana na mbarikiwe.
What you like to advise those who see you?
Wale wenye wanaangalia mnaweza kuambia nini?
Tunawaambia kwamba ikiwezekana mtembee hapa. Kama mna njia, mna macho, mna masikio, mna kila kitu, mna miguu na mikono, tembea hapa muone hiyo jiwe. Iko karibu na mto hapa.
Where is Igenaitambe? Where is Igenaitambe?
Iko hapo chini. Iko mahali tunasimama hivi.
Inapatikana wapi?
Inapatikana Nyamira County na inapatikana kwa Samaro Ward na Gigege Village. Gigege ni village. Village. Hapo. Okay, ukitaka kwenda unajua mheshimiwa Bocha. Karibu hapo. Mheshimiwa Bocha, kama unajua mheshimiwa Bocha ambaye ni late.
Bocha.
Hapo ni kwao. Ni karibu. Hata utaji. Vile mnajua utaji huyo wa Omano. Ni karibu. Na mzee anaitwa Nyasani. Hapo karibu. Na mzee anaitwa Nyamurambo. Kwa hivyo jiwe hilo liko katika kwa mzee anaitwa Nyamurambo. Hawa ni wachukuu wake.
Okay, hiyo ni nzuri sana. Sasa mnaweza salimia familia yetu hivi.
Tunashukuru sana.
Okay.
Salama.
It has been raining heavily, but now we are heading back home still at Igenaitambe. And we're so humbled. Thank you for watching. Guys, have you enjoyed this nature walk?
Yes.
Wow, that is nice. I'm so happy that you've enjoyed this nature walk. So you can just turn and say bye to our family.
Bye.
Bye. We love you. Okay.